G'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Today I'm going to show you an awesome little dirt bike maintenance tip. Alright, so we're going to be oiling our air filter soon, and a little tip I want to show you that I've been using for years now. It's really awesome, really simple, and it doesn't really cost you anything at all. So what I got here is I got my old sauce bottle. Now I've chosen the orange one, the KTM, chili sauce, and chosen the orange one for obvious purposes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my air filter oil into this here. It just makes it a whole lot cleaner. You know that anyone that's done an air filter before just knows it's an absolute mess. This makes it really easy and really clean. So what we're going to do is we're going to decant some of this into here, and it's going to make our air filter clean a lot simpler. So let's do that now. Alright, so as I pour my Penrite air filter oil here into my sauce bottle, I'm going to tell you that you want to make sure you clean out your sauce bottle really well, give it a good rinse, and let it dry out nicely as well. Alright, here we are, ready to start oiling up the filter. So I'll just show you real quick how to do that with the sauce bottle, because it's a little bit different, I'm sure, than what people are used to. Alright, so I always glove up before doing any sort of air filter work. It's messy. So if you're one of those weirdos that takes your bike to a mechanics to get service and whatever, they'll do your air filter for you, and they've got a big tub where they just jam a whole bunch of air filter oil in there, but I don't do it that way. What I do is I make sure that I cover every surface, but I don't waste a lot of oil, sort of thing. So here's a freshly cleaned filter. It does already have a little bit of oil on it, but I'm just going to show you for film's purposes here what we do. So here's the filter, and you want to make sure you cover the whole thing. There's no little bits and pieces left over, so we give it a little coating around, and you got to imagine that I'm doing that over the whole filter, and then it's just a matter of rubbing it all in and getting it all nicely, so there's not a single little bit of dry filter anywhere. So that's pretty much it. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this shorty little video. I've got a few little tips I'm going to be bringing out soon on all of these cool things. I'm going to say a big thanks to Super Cheap Auto for supplying these cool Penrite oil products. And if you liked it, hit a subscribe, give it notifications, share it with all your friends, drop a comment below and let me know what you thought about it, and I'll see you on the next video. Rambled a little bit, but that's great. That'll do. That will do. Man, this filter is already full of oil, huh? It's been, I don't know how long this one's been sitting here for. She is grotty. Ah, boy, so grotty after doing these filters. Wear gloves if you're going to do filters. It gets messy. It's real messy, real quick. What do you guys think? Was that a pretty cool little hot tip or what? I don't know why I'm still talking. I'm pretty sure the video is finished, but you guys still seem to be here chatting to me. So, yeah, Penrite products. Cool little hot tip. Yeah.